Hello, my name is Zheng Jin, and I'm going to share with my COSC 5500 final project. And here is my presentation here. The introduction will be live cost with our concern since the inflation crisis is going, and we need to find a way to reduce the food cost, especially for some families. So some families will be considering the family budget problem and the price change can be issue, which we will be focusing every price, and it will help families choose a reasonable price range, and we can help families make plans on controlling cost of living. We might use 50, 30, 20 rule to say budget, since the budget varies family reference, and then you can get reference and the data resources from the BIS such of regions. And here is the histogram of bread data on each May, and it showed the price range and the time of occurrence. And here's the other problems. How will a family reduce the food cost as low as possible? By you doing the app, what will be the probability of occurring a specific price when they see the price? How can they check? Can they check the price occurring, and if there's no data, and how will update the data every year? Here's showing the dot chart of the bread price. It, will be, if they are labeled, you can show the month of when will be the prices appearing. These are the human-centered design steps. We are going to emphasize that, and we are going to observe the price by taking photos on the label of prices and have a check online and other resources such as Pick and Save and Maya and other types of grocery store, and they can deeply see the price membership price and with the coupon or not coupon and such of that. And on the right, you can see the price change compared of every month. They can see this is might be the period we can see the price change of 10 months price, so they can choose wherever they can buy. And if we are going to engage, so we can ask cashier and compare different resources of price such as online and other stuff. We're immersing, and we can add the view widget which allow grocery store to update some information. If there's information possible to update, we are going to define, because the aim is the customer want to reduce the cost of food, and how to reduce, let them reduce. And they have to find the price in the store, and what are the ways to find them? That we are going to ask a question on that, and the conditions of coupon will be, how will conditions of coupon will impact the price and for the family cost, and how will they check the price and how will make their conclusions on the cost of food, and the reason why they are comparing different prices, such like membership price and different store prices and other kinds of prices, and why they want to check they want to check walk everywhere. Why they some of the families walk run everywhere to find the best choices for getting the food, best and cheap food as possible, and what will they see on the coupons, and why will they need in the room to spend the food on each other, and this is my process of ideating. So first we are going to make graph of prices, And the second, we are going to graph. The graph can observe the hopper's price changes in a time period. And by observing graph, we help our customer reduce the food cost. And the aim is to find solutions on how and when to get the food as cheap as possible. The prototyping process. The left side is showing the bar chart of seeing average prices for each month period. And the right is the z-score values. By looking at the z-score values, they can see the z-score and check the probability table in order to find when will be the best, should be the best price by calculating means, standard deviation, and such and so on. And we are going to the testing process, and we are going to choose different price product, different area, and different year, and compare different graphs and make conclusions for each different types of food. And we are going to do this. That's on this app, and this is the introduction of picture and plot. This is the plot. We are going to see the associated flower information. This is showing the flower. These are three selection. We are going to select area, select element, and select year. And here is the average price tables for each period bar chart. This is the static summary, and this is the mean of value, and this is the standard deviation value by using mean x minus mean divided by standard deviation. We'll get the z-score here, and the following we'll see the z-score graphs. By illustrating z-score value, we can check the probability table, and we can do something to check the probability of when will be the price. I mean, what will be the probability there? Here is the example of flour of your city average in 2022, and here is the bar chart of the average food prices, for the flour, and the static summary here. We can see the mean value is 0.49 per pound, and the standard deviation value is 0.04. And here are the z-score value, and the z-score value is increasing, and you can estimate the probabilities by checking the table of what they have. And let's choose another item here. This is we are going to choose stake, sirloin, graded, ungraded, excluding USD prime choice prelim. Since there is no data, so we put an error message saying no price values found. Please make another selection. And z-scores saying no z-score found, values found. Please make another selection. And we're going to make another choices for some mistake round. This is for bonus stake. We can see the bonus stake prices, and you see the US average, and you see the Midwest, and you see the Midwest, and the different types of area have different prices. And we are going to do the things like in a similar way that we are going to do. This is the ham. This is chicken eggs. This is chicken eggs by data. And we are going to just calculate it as possible. Next is average tables. It will show 12 entities by searching something like 2022. This is year, and the same chicken legs, Next, in 2022. Yeah, we are going to see the average first food for legs. This can be a good references in order to, if you wanted to check specific average price table, you can go back to plot and find the specific region, chicken eggs, and the south 2022, and then it will show fully scale data, and then here's the Z-score image. You can check Z-score. This is example. I'm choosing this example is Z-score. You check Z-score is able to or probability correspond to the Z-score. This is my conclusion. The label price show average price each month. On label, you can see the average and standard deviation for annual prices and compare different prices per year. Every time when the people are seeing the trend of prices, they're going to pay attention and either whether they have membership or not. The alternative approaches will be using Tableau to create interactive visualization. It will be easier for implementing, and it can handle a lot of data, and it can be seen on not only on the laptops but on the smartphones and tablets. And using Google Chart will be easy to use, and it can also provide a wide range and custom chart and styles. The chart that makes Google Chart will be easy to view, and real-time data will be applied by time. Conclusion: the full grocery price prediction will help customers choose their best and cheapest food and calculate cost. And we will see the probability of best low price produce will help customers choose their best time to buy their pair of food. And the Z-score model will be the best probability model to estimate the full cost and see the probability. Thank you.